Second one, dividing terms with the same base. ఇది లాస్ట్ వీడియోకి కంటిన్యూ ద క్లాస్. 3 power 5 by 3 cube 3 into 3 into 3 into 5 by 3 into 3 into 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 3 square లేదంటే 3 power 5 by 3 cube or 3 power 5 minus 3 square ఇలాగని చేయొచ్చు, ఇలాగని చేయొచ్చు. a power m divided by a power n equal to a power m minus n. Third one, exponent of exponent 3 power 3 whole power 5 3 power 3 whole power 5. దీన్ని 3 power 3ని ఎన్నిసార్లు రాయాలి? 5 times. వన్ టూ త్రీ ఫోర్ 5 times. అంటే 3 power 3 1 2 3 4 5 times. 5 times equal to 3 power 5 into 3 power 15 3 power 15. అంటే ఇక్కడ a power m into a power n equal to a power m plus n. అగైన్ ఇలా కూడా చేయొచ్చు. or a power n whole power n equal to a power mn. a power mn. తర్వాత 4 into 5 whole power 4 into 5 whole cube equal to 4 into 5 to 4 into 5 into 4 into 5. 4ని 4 into 4 into 4 5 into 5 into 5 4 cube into 5 cube. a into b whole power m equal to a power m into a power n. ఇప్పుడు a by b whole power m equal to a power m by b power m. a power m by b power m. Examples using laws of exponents. Number 1, 2 power 5 into 2 cubed 2 power 5 plus 3 2 power 8 అంటే a power m into a power n a power m plus n. Second one, 3 square 3 power 4 3 power 8 3 square plus 4 plus 8 8 equal to 3 power 14. 3 power 14. Third one, 6 power 15 divided by 6 power 10. 6 power 10 equal to 6 power 15 divided by 6 power 10. 6 power 15 minus 10 equal to 6 power 5. 6 power 5. A power m by a power n. A power m minus n. Power m minus n. Fourth one, 5 square whole cube. 5 power 2 into 3, 2 into 3 equal to 5 power 6. A power m whole power n. A power mn. Fifth one, 7 square whole cube divided by 7 cube. 7 square whole cube divided by 7 power 3. 7 power 2 into 3 by 7 cubed. 7 power 6 by 7 cubed, that equal to 7 power 6 minus 3, 7 cubed. 7 cubed. Sixth one, 2 power 5, 2 power 5, 3 power 5. 2 into 3 whole power 5 equal to 6 whole power 5. A power m into b power m equal to a into b whole power m. Seventh one, 20 power 20 divided by 2 power 15 into 2 cube. 2 cube. 2 power 20 divided by 2 power 15 into 2 cube by 2 power 20 minus 15 into 2 cube. 2 power 5 into 2 cube. Right. 2 power 5 plus 3 equal to 2 power 8. 2 power 8.